Hey, Derek here with 5 Minute Music. Today we're talking about how to shred better. Jeez, I know. All right, here we go. I have this where students will come in and they'll say, hey, I want to shred. I just want to shred better. So I have an idea, a tool, and an exercise that will help you do that. If you want to shred better, here we go. The idea is accuracy before speed. You see it on the board there. Accuracy before speed. You could be blazing fast, but if it's not accurate, it's going to be sloppy. So you want to be accurate. And the best tool I know of to help you develop accuracy over time, incrementally, little bit by little bit, is the metronome. Zoop, metronome. So you can find them in many shapes and sizes, built into a keyboard, a little box, an app. That's probably the easiest way to do it these days is with an app on your phone or laptop. But here, I've got this right here. Listen. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. That was 125 beats per minute. This is pretty quick. So you can change it up. You can make it really slow, really fast, but it goes on beats per minute. So when it was at 125, that thing is going to click 125 times per minute, just over twice a second. So accuracy before speed, take your time, use a metronome, and then I want to give you an exercise that you can pull all that together with. So here's the exercise. Start on the skinny E string, the first string. They're numbered from thinnest to thickest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see them right there. So start on the 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th fret. On the skinny E string. Get on your fingertip, okay? Keep your hand in a C shape. Check out my tone video to understand why that's important. So stay on your fingertips. Stay right behind the fret, okay? And then your right hand is going to pick down, then up, then down, then up, then down, then up. While your left hand is going first finger, second finger, third, fourth, back to third, second, first, okay? So you're going to keep your fingers curved and keep your fingers low to the fret. Why is this important? I'll tell you, you can't beat the physics. It all comes down to the physics. If you're playing and then you pull your fingers way off, look how far those are off. The further you pull off, the further back you have to go to get back to the fret. And that distance means time. If you're a fast player, people might not notice, but if you're a fast player and you're pulling way off, if you stayed closer, you could be a really fast player. So it's just physics. The further you go away, the further space you create, distance you create, you have to cover that distance to get back. So just stay close to the string. And this is something I struggle with. I'm having to work on this. So check it out. First, second, third, fourth, third, second, first. And that's it. So I set the metronome on 80 BPM. There it is. And now I'm just going to go. 1, 2, ready, go. First, second, third, fourth, third, second, first, second, third, fourth. And if that's comfortable and I can do it cleanly and the notes are speaking well, I'm going to go faster. I'm going to bump it up to 84. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm comfortable with that. Let's go up to 88. And so on. I'm going to go up faster. Go as fast as you can, still being clean. If you start having mistakes, like that, stop, slow it down a little bit. It's all about accuracy before speed. Get it clean, then bump up the speed. Play it again, get it clean, then bump up the speed. Sooner or later, you're going to be flying, but just be patient. Accuracy before speed. So there you go. Accuracy before speed. Use your metronome. Keep your fingers low, hand in the C shape. That's 5 Minute Music. Thank you. Bye.